10-6 FST.
10-6 FST.
Multiple units.
Multiple units, copy the FST, regular unit.
What is going on there?
He's not with us. He just likes to follow cops around and report him, so that's,
Okay.
we can't control that.
And you're not required to do any tests, by the way, except for a breathalyzer.
Don't talk to my-
Except for a breathalyzer. You do not have to take any.
Told several times
You do not
to
have to
interact
take
with
any.
the
I can speak
investigation.
freely right now.
You cannot intervene with the investigation.
I'm not intervening with any
You are,
investigation.
and you've been talked to about this before several times. You
I
need
can.
to not talk.
You're
or you need to
Sandoval,
go
right?
across the street.
Where's your name tag?
Yes, I'm Sandoval.
Where's your name tag?
You know my name already, Gabriel.
Doesn't answer the question though. I have the right to speak freely.
I've already explained it to you.
I have
and
the
if
right
you
to speak freely,
intervene-
Sandoval.
If you intervene with the investigation, you will get cited for 148. Please respect that and just observe respectfully.
If you want to arrest me or cite me for speaking, then do it.
It would be for intervening with the
I can
investigation.
speak freely. You guys still don't get it, do you? You really don't. I can speak freely. I can stand here all day and say whatever I want as I record. And that includes saying, hey, you don't have to take any tests. Hey, you don't have to, all you have to do is take a breathalyzer. I can speak freely. How do you guys not realize that yet?
Say almost 12.
What time did you stop?
That includes everyone has the right to remain silent.
Now that'd be off the vehicle in front of Liberty.
Like, I don't understand why.
Everyone has the right to remain silent.
Like I said, what time did you stop?
I'm an independent news, independent media. I record police everywhere.
California, temporary. When you're clear.
Go ahead.
Charles North, 58 George, 75.
Did you get any sleep last night?
Guys, if you ever stop by the cops, you do not have to answer any of their questions. You do not have to take any of their tests other than a breathalyzer or a blood draw.
2020 Mercedes utility to Bradley Spark out of Grover.
And your hand's now touching your side.
Dang, you guys see how they got like instantly butthurt about it?
Just put your left
Instantly
right touching your
came at me. And this one threatened me with the ticket. 148.
right in front of that.
2259.
Hey, so this is the subject from the Braga police call.
Just like that. Hands not touching yourself. Just stand just like that.
Sandoval's not wearing. Where's your name tag at, Sandoval?
This advising this will be the subject from the Braga police call.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Got it.
We're done with this one. So you can turn and face me. This next test is going to be the one next.
I think that's a uniform code violation too. Not displaying your name tag. I gotta look that up.
You got your phone with you, right?
So Davidson's gonna get another complaint. And Sandoval. Both of them are getting complaints tomorrow. Hey, at least he didn't try to blind me with his light this time though, right? Is he learning? That's a complaint for Davidson. Is he learning a little bit or what? He didn't try to spotlight me this time? I think he wants to, he knows he shouldn't. Hey, should I file a complaint with you, her and I, or should I just go tomorrow?
What's your preference, girl?
You know what? I'll put it in writing when I got a little bit of thought put behind it. These guys, you know, these guys threatened me with arrest again. So, for speaking. So.
Did you do something that's worth arresting you for?
Speaking freely, man. It's protected free speech.
Well, I'm sure you're familiar with Penal Code 148.
Very familiar. Yeah, of course.
So anything that you do that obstructs or delays a police officer in the course of their lawful duties would be a violation of the law. I don't know what you did, but just so you know.
Just speaking.
Right. So if you're speaking in a manner that obstructs or delays a police officer, it could be a violation of that law.
All right.
I don't know if that's a threat. It seems like more like just advising you.
Still getting a complaint. And this one's not wearing a name tag. No name tag. Speech is protected by the First Amendment. If they ever tried to arrest me for speaking, I would gladly accept it. Gladly. Might as well just write me a check, honestly. If we deem your speech to be obstructing, we can arrest you. Do it, dude. Do it. Idiots. Yeah, you can speak freely, but if we don't like it, we might say it's obstruction. Dang.